this is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. Welcome back to the channel, the #1 place for new and advanced traders. And in this short video, we're going to show you guys just how you can double your account balance using our amazing indicators. So stay tuned for the content. I want to give you guys an update for tonight is how you can double your account this week and in the coming weeks, okay, using the STP rapid fire reentry bots and signals here. Okay, so what we've done is we've created a high time frame filter on our 2-minute chart here of Bitcoin, and what that looks like is what you see right here in front of you. Okay, this is a 2-minute chart of Bitcoin, and basically every single time a sell signal comes in, there's obviously a re-entry up to like 26 re-entries, okay, per trend, right? So if it exceeds 26, obviously, you know, we're probably, we can only code up to 26 in the re-entry, okay? But basically what I want to show you is if we went to, if we took off the high time frame filter, okay, and left the 2-minute signal chart on, this is what it would look like, right? So lots of signals, lots of places where the bot can definitely screw up and take the wrong signal. So this is definitely going to help in improving the results that we're getting here with the bots. And that's what I kind of wanted to show you guys tonight is a little bit of the settings we're using and kind of a little bit of update about what the Scalper bot is actually doing, how it's performing. Right now we're getting an average between 1 to 3% a day, which is on average I guess around 2%, depending on how much base order you guys are using. We're using around 20% base order, but we'll get into the details here in just a second. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Click the subscribe button, click the little bell, and let's get to it. All right, so check it out. We got the Scalper bot results here for you guys. Okay, basically we've been running this bot since like, I want to say like 3rd week of April. So it's been almost a month, right? And we're basically about to double our account balance using settings. Okay, yeah, so base order is 20% on this. So the safety order is 40%. We're looking at 5 DCAs, and we're looking at a safety order volume scale of 2, safety order step scale of 1.4, and we're running on cross leverage, okay? And the bot so far in about a month has only taken about 21 deals, okay guys? Keep that in mind. It's not going to be like taking tons and tons of deals every day because there aren't that many signals, right? So it's really just catching nice little scalp trades, maybe like 1 or 2 per day, if that, okay? So it's really a nice balance between, that's why we can increase the risk, right? Because when we do take the trade, we can rely on the signal to be very accurate and high quality, right? Okay, so here's the long bot, okay, and how it's performing, right? Base order size 20%, safety order size, basically same settings as the short bot, right? And it's taken 57 deals, okay, so a lot more deals than the short side. Obviously, Bitcoin's been uptrending the last month and change here. So, you know, it's trading the trend, which is exactly what we want to see. Okay, and so let me just pull up a quick little Excel sheet here for you guys and show you guys how you guys can be doubling your account balance this week and coming weeks, okay? But first, make sure you guys hit that like button and click the subscribe button and tick the little bell to get all of our updates here at STP, okay? So we start with $1,000 by day 37. Okay, so after 36 days of making an average of 2% per day, you're going to double your account balance. Okay, so basically almost about a month, and you should be doubling your balance, just about. Okay. So if you guys like that information right there, make sure you guys click that like button and definitely hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Click the little bell. And I got some other information to show you guys here. We have a swing bot that is doing some crazy games as well. We actually have a gentleman today that made $20,000 today on his 3 commas bot, swing bot. Now to get the swing bot, you have to be an STP subscriber, and that is part of the indicator package. You guys can definitely check that out if you join the Discord. The link is in the description below. If you guys have any questions about that information, you can message any of the STP members. My name is Mr. Know-It-All on the channel. We have Ninja Trainer and also STP Todd. They're all very well versed in this area. We can definitely help you out. Okay? So let me show you that real quick. $20,000 gain today, gentlemen. Okay. He made 0.76 Bitcoin today, 21,273 US dollars. Okay, yes, he's trading with a large account balance, right? He's trading with 189,000 US dollars. Okay, that's fine, but we're talking about a nice almost 10% gain, okay, on a swing bot today. Okay, 20K today. Here you go. Today at 5:30 p.m. Eastern. Anyways, guys, that's about all I have for today. So make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't done so already. Hit the little subscribe, and catch you guys in